Welcome back to the channel, y'all. This is how to shoot a basketball POV. Hashtag Niko from Amor. Make sure you subscribe. Break down when you get to the elbow. Follow through. Get to the next one if you can. Put up. Racing the clock. Let's go. Follow and subscribe for more. Hashtag Niko from Amor. How to hit from the volleyball line. Hashtag Niko from Amor. Oh, I'm not quitting. This is just a shot while sitting. Follow and subscribe for more. Who threw that ball? Follow. Let's go. Follow and subscribe for more. This is how to shoot a basketball POV in 2023. I'm your host, Niko. I'll turn around. How crazy this sounds. Flying out of bounds. Follow. Couldn't forget to slam dunk. We'll see you next time in the mighty name of Jesus. Drop it. What? Oh! Powe!